In this video, we're going to reduce something that looks complicated on the surface, I to the 231st power. How in the world do you simplify that? Well, we have to remember a few things. Remember that I is defined as the square root of -1. So if we square both sides of that, we would get I squared is equal to -1. And if we square that again, we would have I to the 4th is equal to 1. So if I to the 4th is equal to 1, and if you remember, raising a power to a power you multiply, I simply need to figure out how many times does 4 go into 231. And bear with me if you're still not sure where I'm coming from with this. The pen can be slow, so let me do this. 2. So if I divide that by 4, I would have 5, which is 20. 3 left over, bring down the 1, and I'd have 7, which is 28, and 3 left over. So what I can do is rewrite this as I to the 4th, and I have 57 of those. Come on, pen. And then I have 3 left over. So believe it or not, I to the 231st power will be equivalent to I to the 3rd, and here's why. I to the 4th, remember we said was 1. Well, if I raise 1 to the 57th power, I simply get 1. So I to the 231 is equal to I cubed. They're the same. Weird, huh? And then we'll go back, and now we just simply need to simplify I to the 3rd. I to the 3rd is I squared times I. I squared, if you look up below, that's -1. So the answer is -I. That's it. Now I'm going to give you some hints here on how to do these. If you raise I to any power, you're going to get one of 4 answers. 1, -1, I, -I. Okay? It will be 1. It will be 1 if the exponent is divisible by 4. Okay? It will be -1 if the exponent is not divisible by 4 but has a remainder of 2. It will be I if it's not divisible by 4 and a remainder of 1. So basically, remainder of 0, remainder of 2, remainder of 1, and the one we just did earlier had a remainder of 3. That's if you divide the exponent by 4. Okay, so that's a little shortcut. We're done.